अब दिखाता हूँ इनका ट्रेन म्यूजियम नीचे चल के, बहुत बढ़िया बनाया देखो, ऐसे बेसमेंट में जाके ये रहा।
This track instead of the back track. See, there's two tracks coming down underneath here.
Yeah, there's two.
You kind of see when they switch out.
What? That was a good move.
I put so much power. It was such a little force.
Hungry. Very good, did I?
Oh, I scratched. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. What's your 100? Oh no!
I got it on the video.
No!
Play in the grass.
So yeah.
I got it again.
I just turned into Diego Maradona. I just turned into Diego Maradona. Oh! Yeah, dude, that was a good one.
We'll do a challenge. First to 3 nutmegs.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah.
1, 0. 2-1. 2-2.
Let's go!
Whoever gets it wins.
Last nutmeg, whoever wins, wins. Wait, first nutmeg loses. Oh. Oh.
आज भाई मजे से फुटबॉल खेला, काफ़ी ठंड थी, -1 था। अब जा रहा हूँ उनके लिए, सबके लिए अच्छा सा इंडियन खाना लाने, डिनर वगैरह की ट्रीट। एक ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से, एक उनकी तरफ से हो गई। और इसके बाद खाना खा के दिखाऊंगा। एक स्पेशल म्यूज़ियम बना रखा है इन्होंने घर में, वो कितना बढ़िया है। इनको बहुत शौक है ट्रेन के काम करने का, तो इन्होंने खुद से ही अंदर एक ट्रेन का ट्रैक बना दिया। 30 साल पहले शुरू किया था, जब इनके खुद के बच्चे छोटे थे। उनके बड़े होने के बाद शादी हो गई, उनके बच्चे हो गए, वो भी बड़े होने वाले हैं, और अब तक वो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे करते हैं। कभी 1 महीना लगा दिया, फिर छोड़ दिया कुछ सालों तक, कुछ दिनों तक, कुछ महीनों तक, कभी कभी जब मन करते करते हैं। कई साल तो इन्होंने काम ही नहीं किया उस पर अब बहुत बढ़िया बना दिया वो ट्रैक। जब मैं पहले था तब भी कंप्लीट नहीं था, लेकिन अब ट्रैक देखना दिखाता हूँ अभी जाके थोड़ी देर में, खाना खाने के बाद। ये रिचमंड की तरफ जा रहा हूँ। ऐसे खेत है खाली खाली बिल्कुल, यहाँ से कट गए। अभी इधर वो उगाते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा मक्का, कॉर्न। सूखा सूखा, अभी सर्दी है आज काफ़ी। और ये सारे पेड़ चेरी ब्लॉसम के पेड़ है, यहाँ पे पिंक पिंक कलर के फूल लग जाते हैं इन पूरे पेड़ों पे। ये पहुंच गए अपने फेमस इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट। इंडिया के बाहर ना सच्ची में इससे अच्छा इंडियन खाना कहीं नहीं बनता। एजे जो भी नाम है उनका, सरदार अपने पंजाब के आए हुए, उन्होंने खोल रखा है गुलजार्स इंडियन कुजीन। अब खाने बनाने वाले भी बढ़िया है, मतलब बंदे जितने दिल्ली के हैं तो उनको खाना बनाना भी अच्छे से आता है। ऐसा नहीं कोई ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को रख लिया किसी को, प्रॉपर शेफ है सारे के सारे, बढ़िया खाना बनाते हैं। तो यहाँ से खाना पैक करा के चलते हैं। You're all on YouTube, say hi.
Yep.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, that's.
That is so hot that would basically
How's the food, Dave?
burn them out.
Oh, very good. Very good. Always good.
It was very-
The best food on the table from McDonald's.
No.
Yeah.
And then that's the Daredevil with
I don't know what
spice
this is.
7.
Yeah.
Good luck.
What is this?
This is for the rice thing.
So she's not gonna.
Trying to slow it down. Huh?
The legendary basement train station.
Yeah.
The iconic station in the basement.
Look at that. Oh, you might.
I don't know what.
I should do the transition. Wow.
And look at that doghouse dinner. Yeah, diner. It looks like a diner to me.
Yeah, have you painted it again?
I
Wow.
did the
Yeah,
I
this is
did. I
done.
wasn't too. I didn't like the
Oh, that-
clouds, and I still don't. But I think they're where they're gonna stay.
Yeah, these strange.
The adults can see it. See where the crack is there.
Oh yeah, this
Yeah, and then that whole section lift out so I can get to
this looks like real mountain rocks, and it's like
this foam.
Nice
styrofoam
foam.
with tile grout on
Hey,
it.
Grandpa. Did you catch a bat hole?
No, there's no little hole back there.
Okay, I want to show him what it would look like when compared to that. I'm gonna show him.
Yeah, I think you can get under there.
I think I can.
Let's see. No, the hole's in there.
30 years.
Okay.
Go.
Stand up, Gabe.
I can.
No, not in the back.
Oh, he's back.
Too late. Because they didn't turn out right. They're not supposed to be that white. They're supposed to be more clear. And,
So-
then you do the same thing with this dry brush on the clear silicone, and it looks more like water because they're too white now. They're not. They didn't come out. I had clear silicone, but it didn't work well. And then there'll be more water coming down through.
Oh, that
See
river.
see where the lake is up there?
Yeah.
There's a waterfall there that comes under that bridge, and then it'll come down and add into this water here.
Yeah, that's a big project. When did you start it? Do you remember?
No, well, I just really started working on it lately, within the last. Well, you were here, weren't you?
Yeah, 2 years ago. But
Yeah,
the initial planning.
yeah. Oh, probably 30 years ago, because the kids were little. Because I had what they call HO, which the tracks are about half that size. They're smaller trains, and
Yeah.
you can kind of see where the grooves were. I had like 3 lanes going around.
Oh, so like a multiple track.
There's a place in Pennsylvania called the Horseshoe Curve. It's a famous curve on the railroad, and it's through the Allegheny Mountains. So that was I had 3 lanes, and the Horseshoe Curve was right in here. That was my focal point. So I had 3 lanes wrapping around here and coming back and going through, and then